Hey everybody, it's Tyson Stracks here with Hockey Wealth Group on March the 25th. I have to start today's meeting. Unfortunately, it's not the first meeting I've had to start this way, which is the sad part of it. Talking about Chris Simon's passing. Um, again, it's just something that we're having to talk about too much. I didn't know Chris personally. Guy played for a long, long time, 850 plus NHL games, a great career. Sounds like a very loving family. And they were already, talking about CTE, etc. So it's just sad that this has to keep happening. I'm just waiting for some medical strides, but also some um, yeah, some other things. We'll leave it there. Markets last week, it was a great week in the markets. They basically, so we're all kind of waiting on that Fed meeting for Wednesday. And so the Fed came out with their infamous dot plot, and it was quite dovish, really. They're still expecting 3 rate cuts this year. And what we think kind of doesn't make sense with that is the committee also, during this meeting, they boosted their GDP forecast and they kept unemployment around that 4% level. So those are the two arms that they handle to keep inflation under control. And it those numbers don't really, you know, warrant a rate cut. So it'll be interesting to see if they actually do that. But we saw markets really react to it. Most major indices are up over 2% last week. Obviously, rates dropping and the stocks going up on that news. Our concern long term is in inflation with that, but we'll see. As I said, they're typically way off on these dot plots. But anyways, lots of economic data coming out this week. I've got a flight to catch, and we'll talk to you next week.